Yes, guys, sorry. Nyange handi dropper. I don't know kuti ndaite, but I'm going to boot her out. I am so sorry about that. Aruda phone, please call on the number and I say my number. Just give us your input. We're talking about Sis Mely's Appreciation Day. Tafunga utititre Sis Mely an Appreciation Day, and I know kuti she's not going to like this because she never likes the attention on her. Asi kungofunga kwedu kuti se munhu asatamboya achitikumbira kana chimweni hacho, kana munhu asatamboya kuzotaura maproblems ake kuti ndanetseka napakati, could you please help me out nemari yakati. It's just, it would be very nice tikakwanisa kuvaitirawo something, a day that's all about her, a day that's all about celebrating her, a day that's all about celebrating zvakanaka zvavatiitira as the Zimbabwean community. It would be very nice if we all come together to open our ideas on how best we can just show her kuti she's loved, she's appreciated, and she's an amazing human being. As I was saying, kuti kazhinji kekuti sometimes unotongomuka wenda pa Facebook and you feel so broken hearted and urikufila kuti hauna kana wekutaura naye, and uvaona vari live and you call in and you talk to her, you pour your heart out and she hears you. Nguva hobo dzacho munhu paanenge achitowomoka achitaura zviri kumunetsa zviri kumustressa, people always come through and say chimudonedzai Mother D, chimudonedzai taakubhoikana, and she'll just act like havasi kutoona macomments ese atinenge tichinyora tichipengereka, and she'll just entertain that person, give that person time, love, just all of that. So we're not saying the Appreciation Day is just going to be about zvinhu monetary, but we want to give each other ideas on how best we can appreciate her. It can be my videos, just a video of you telling us what she has done, the impact she's made in your life, what she's done for you. It can even just be whatever you want to do for her, really, as long as it's coming from the heart and you're showing her kuti we appreciate her. Nguva hobo dzacho munhu paanenge achitotaura, we don't understand kuti munhu anga akaremerwa. She understands that and she gives munhu time yekuomoka, time yekutaura zvaari kuda kutaura, and it's a quality that most of us don't even have. It's that patience that she has for everyone around her that nguva hobo we don't realize kuti yakakoshere chii. It's even in how she talks about other people, praising other people. Zvinhu zvatinenge tichinida mukati meupenyu hwedu. Ndiri kukumbira vanokwanisa kutega Shumbres, vanokwanisa kutega Sis Lucinda. Sis Jenny also had these wonderful ideas, but vanga vasiri kubvumirana netime yataita the live. So if you have ideas, please call on WhatsApp or direct calls, whatever you prefer. Tuonesane kuti tovaitira chi Sis Mely. I even remember nyaya anonzani ya Jesse. Guys, pakauya Jesse, most of us did not even know kuti kune chinhu, kune vanhu vanorarama life inenge yairaramwa naJesse. Jesse was going through a lot emotionally, financially, physically, achirwara akaremerwa. But through this platform, Jesse akakwanisa kuwana madirections ekuenda kuna gogo vaivaya. And asvika kwagogo vaivaya akazokwanisa kuwana madirections ekuenda kuna madzibaba. Madzibaba, who is also the same person arikubatsira even most of us to this day. So there's help spiritually, there's help emotionally, there's help financially, and you guys are amazing, my diaries. So all we're asking for is the same appreciation yavanotiratidza or yavanotipa whenever we help munhu wavanenge vauya naye, is the same help yatiri kukumbira for her. not help, but it's the same appreciation at kukumbira, just showing her kuti she's been an amazing person and she's appreciated for that. I was talking about inini mabatsirirwo andakaitwa when I came kuma diaries. It's years ago. Vanhu vanoremember nyaya iyi haama true diaries zvekudaro, because inyaya kare. I came through those days. My diabetes was giving me really huge problems, and insulin, we all know how expensive insulin is in Zimbabwe. And Sis Mely, I had always been a diary, but ndasanambotaura nawo, because ndaingoti munhu anozikanwa kudaro ndikataurawo nawo inini hangu, you know, she would never know about me. And that time ndanga ndisisina insulin, guys. Insulin ichidhura kuZimbabwe, zvokudhura zviya, and ndisina pekutangira. I remember when I reached out kuna Sis Mely, ndakavatumira kuWhatsApp kwa, when I sent her a voice note. Ndiri pakati pekutaura pa voice note paya I broke down. Voice note yasvika vandoti not blue tick, voice note yaverengwa. I'm like vaverenga, so very soon she's going to respond. Ndagara paya no response. Ndikati ende mai avasoka ende havaite naimi, saka vanhu vanenge vachibatsira ive ndevefake. I'm like, vachibatsira vanhu vefake here. Inini ndavatumira nditori neproblem kainini apa vari kundi tick havasi kundipindura. And I think it was just like that the whole day. Havana kurespond, havana kutaura anything. And ndikatongoti ndevamai avanenge vachitotinyepera saka. Thank you manjenjenje, thank you. She says she remembers my story. Ndikasaka mai avanenge vachitinyepera. And then I think she didn't post it that day. And then mangwana acho, I think ndakatongovarairwawo ndo pandakazofonirwa neshamwari yangu. Zvikanzi iwe, I think it's your voice yandiri kunzwa. Ndakati kupi? Zvikanzi kuFacebook live. Pandakanotarisa so vandanzwa iri voice rangu. So inini I hate the sound of my voice. Saka pandakangonzwa ndiri nimanje apa nekuchema nekuzhamba kwandaita pa voice note iyo, I was like nope. And also some of the comments I was seeing, some of the comments were coming through and were like, hey, sakari kuchemei, vamwe vachiti enda unoshanda, asi vanhu so zvikanzi enda unoshanda, zvikazoti. So ndakabva palive paya and angari manheru, I think, when she did the live. So ndakangoti mheno, it's not going to help anyway. Nema comments and I won. So that same night, my sugars were now extremely low. Abandona insulin. I was sad, guys. I was really sad. Past 9, I think I saw a call come through. And I remember all of the people vakandibatsira nemazita avo nekuwanda kwavo, because those people came through for me at a time yandanga ndisingazivi kuti ndoita sei neupenyu hwangu. When the first call that came through, I got a number, I think it's Australia. And this guy talked to me. And I was like, ndanzwa story yako, ndanzwa kuti uri kurwara, uri kuda insulin and all of that. And ndaitya kutaura naye, because I was like, really? And then this guy was like, ndipe my details ako. Chitodedzera izvezvi. Whilst I'm on the call with this guy is like, chitarisa ndakutumira, ndiona anditumira mari. Ndikati, I could not believe it. Guys, ndikada kutaura vanhu vese vakandifonera that night, handikwanisi kuvataura nemazita. Ndakafonirwa navanhu vakawanda usiku uyoyo. People were now calling me, asking me where I stay. Vanhu vachiti enda pa nearest pharmacy takutengera box reinsulin. Insulin those days, I don't even remember utangeri mari, but yaidhura. Vanhu vachiti takutengera box, like a whole box, of which ndaiti pese pandawana mari ndaitenga one capen. But I was now getting boxes of insulin. I was now getting mari left, right and center. Imwe mari yacho, I even ended up not even buying insulin emari yacho. Ndakutenga my injections. I did not even have chekuti nditeste sesugar. All I would do was randomly guess kuti izvezvi nasiri pakati. And I have a lovely sister who came through. Vakasvika vachiti valenda sanhasi. The following day she called me, she asked me to meet her in town. Tikasangana pa pharmacy yekudhuze nekuna Cameroon, kuna Harare Street. tikasangana, she bought me more insulin, she bought me injections, she bought me a test. Like, guys, these are people that you've never met in your life. I'm saying this to say this is how much this platform has helped people. From that day, I became way more loyal to the diaries than I've ever been in my life, because this platform helped me. It helped me grow. It helped me become, there was even another sister. Akati, what I ndazvinzwa, because I ended up telling Sis Mely, help yandawana yakwana, please. And ndakumbirisa yakwanisa, and it's just too much. And I told her, and then I think she told people, ati insulin yawana yakwana. And people were still calling me, and they were like, you know what, I'm going to send you groceries. Can you go kwa TM uno collect? I got groceries, guys. Kutengero grocery nezvinhu zvandanga ndisina, that I didn't even need, kutengerwa spices, guys, kutengerwa even maroiko, kutengerwa juice. Like, what more do you need in life? Days iwayo, ndakaona kuti we think we know, or we think we pray, or tinofunga kuti tinoshumira Mwari muupenyu hwedu, tinenge tisingashumire Mwari. Guys, kuna vanhu vanoshumira Mwari. Imagine munhu anongofonera munhu asingaziye randomly to say ndakutengera grocery ndichitengerwa nemajuice, kunzi unofana kumwa nemajuice, fruits, like for no reason, just randomly. I was getting calls from people telling me, you know what, I got a call from this guy, and this guy was now my best friend until Ashika Pakushaya. He called me after I won a video on Gupa platform ya Sis Mely, Panapa. Akandifonera akati, no, I saw kuti waturi kuda insulin. And ndakamudza ndikati, ndoda kubatsirwa chichichi. And this guy was like, all right, ndikukutumira $40. Ubatsirike. Ndikabva ndati, thank you. This guy paaitumira mari akaita mistake, right? Over atumira 40. I don't know how he made that mistake. Vatumira 40. So I kept seeing messages come through like, we'll dream it 40 in. Watumira mari. So now I'm checking. Maybe paitika mistake. So all of this while, and there's now good notice kuti my ref number arikuya akasiyana, which means my transactions akasiyana. So ndazoenda ku dream it the following morning, ndasvika ndakollecta mari, ndobva ndamupa, ndakangomutambidza ndikati pane mari yauya. Mari iya ndatarisa munhu advertisement, actually pauya ma ref number akasiyana. So they started checking, guys. Mari yanga anditumira patakazotarisa in total was 500. Ndobva ndati hanangu vyati tsemo, ndatangofunga kati adzisi mari dzemushonga idzi, who would just randomly send munhu 500. Ndobva ndakazomutextera ndikati thank you so much, mari yauya chichichi. Ndobva I was about to call you, ndachida kutokudza kuti ndaita mistake, ndatumira mari yanga ichiramba ichiti zvoni transaction failed. Ndobva ndamba ndichitry mari yanga ichiramba ichibuda muaccount. Ndobva ndamuti so ndoita sei, let me find a way kuti nditumire mari back ikoko aigara kuAustralia. And then ndobva ati zvoni, all right, I'll let you know kuti nditumira sei mari yayo. Ndobva ndatongomira ndikati achanditumira. The following day this guy sends me a message and he says, you know what, ndazongofunga, God had a reason. Mwari vanga vane reason yekuti ndikutumire mari yoyo. Mwari had already said it's your money, so you can keep it. Batsirikana. Do you know, guys, I cried kunge munanopenga. Ndakachema. Ndikati, Mwari, what is this? What are you trying to do in my life? Ndikamufonera the guy, ndikati, no, handisi kuzvinzwisa. Akati, no, I mean it. You can keep the money. Ndeyako, Mwari wangu wangogara vati ndeyako, it's fine, haina basa. Chitsvaga chekubatsirika. Guys, ndakabva ndatongopengereka kutanga kutsvaga paFacebook, ndowana kupima bhero, ndikatanga kutsvaga kukuoda bhero. So this platform, guys, has been amazing. So imagine kana zvakaitirwa inini muupenyu hwangu panguva iyoyo, ko kuzoti izvezvi vanhu vangani to this day that have gotten help through this platform. Vanwangani that have not only, I didn't only get financial help, by the way. I got people that were calling me to just pray with me. I got friends, like I was saying, that guy, Akandi Batsira, who passed away. Most of you might know him. Akasha, he had cancer. And Paakazo, Shaika, we were now best friends. Best of friends. We became best of friends for years and years. To this day, I've not deleted his number because I find it difficult, but that's a story for another day. Ndakawana help kuburikidzana neplatform inoi. Saka vamwe vanhu vangani vakabatsirikana kuburikidzana nemadiaries. So it's for that reason that I'm coming to you and asking you to just help me plan this appreciation day for Sis Mely, for Amasha Kira, because I feel like we should make one thing about her. We need to just reflect and remind her of how amazing she is, of what a beautiful soul she is. Because of this platform, I've learned kuti chi chinonzi kubatsira. I've learned kuti chi chinonzi kuva compassionate. I've learned kuti chi chinonzi kuva a sister skipper. Wanda kufona, please call on WhatsApp. I'm sorry I missed a call. I don't know, someone was calling me, but Wanda kufona, please do call. Phone I back, wanga vachifona. Tuonesane kuti what should we do for Appreciation Day, Sis Mely? How can we show up for her? How can we come through for her? Ndrukukumbirisawo vanema ideas vataure. Anzi, thanks for your testimony. Few people say thank you. I'm going to celebrate a Queen Hell year. Tell us how to help. Thank you so much, Boomer Boomer. How you can help is to just help plan the Appreciation Day. Tell us how you're going, like not tell us, but just how can we appreciate her? Should we do a whole PayPal thing? Should we just do gifts? Should we do stars? Should we do my gifts are physical? Toenda tonotenga kana riri socks ravasina, kana riri burugwa yavasina tonotenga. How should we go about it? Videos, vanoda kutumira videos, vanoda kuita vari South Africa, vanoda kuita votumirawo kuna Sis Shumbres. Just a whole day of just coming to her and just telling her, forcing her to sit there and listen and just hear kuti vanhu vangani vanotenda. I think ndakambovunzwa question nemwe admin kunzi, why do you love Sis Mely so much? And I told him kuti it's because she came through for me at a time no one else did. So for that reason, I will forever go to bat for that woman. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
How are you?
I am blessed by your testimony that you just shared.
Thank you.
Deeply, deeply blessed. A lot of people don't have the grace or the integrity or the wisdom to say thank you, especially in our community.
True.
So I just got chills. I don't even know how I saw the live. I'm just coming in from, celebrating my success. Recently, God has blessed me. And I was actually reflecting today in Dikati. It's true when they say it's darkest before the dawn.
Very true.
And yes, we all make our mistakes, and I went through the fire. But I'll tell you something about this lady, Sis Mely. She don't Bluetooth hate.
Nope.
It got to a point where I would get onto people's platform. They can go pin up a platform and I'm on the comment section. I was like, God damn it. That was the devil talking. Sis Mely became one of the only influencers where I would say, hi, Sis Mely, and she'd say, hi, Chiesa. just to greet me, just to greet me, just to treat me like a goddamn human being. So I am going to be 100% behind a queen being appreciated.
Thank you.
Let me know how I can lend to her day being special and her day being blessed. And I just wanted to thank you because you really deeply touched my heart. And you know,
Amen. Amen.
Now I have this amazing opportunity, like my doors have burst open.
Oh, yes.
And I am now working with one of the top directors, producers in the goddamn United States of America. And the first place where he said, I want to do talent scouting is Zimbabwe. So as you find the top actors out of Zimbabwe, we're going to start shooting in March. So I'm going to be reaching out to Madam Boss. I'm going to be reaching out to my TT. That's why in this journey called life, because I went through the fire. Now I'm going to put Zimbabwe on the map. And this guy, I think some of his people, Madam Boss met when she was on the red carpet. He works with Tyler Perry. He works with a lot of black talent. So all of a sudden, I now have an opportunity to be that connector, to be the bridge. So once again, I want to thank Sis Mely because I'm in otherwise, I hated my community. But because of women like you and women like Sis Mely, I was like, you know what, because there's other people who are good. It's just that usually the good ones are quiet. You know, it's the bad ones that make the most noise. Saka, yes, we're going to celebrate a queen.
Thank you.
And I am so happy that you have seen the hand of God, because when God moves, it's a different feeling.
It's a whole dynamite,
It's a different vibe. It's a different feeling. It's like 100% behind Diaries. I'm looking forward to flying Sis Mely into Vegas and celebrating her and putting her on some platforms with some powerful women here in the United States. I want her to be a key speaker at these events and just talk about how she built a brand.
Sis Mely, you're in that diaspora,
Yes.
That's nice.
So she's an inspirational woman. She needs to be celebrated. And furthermore, I want to put her in the company of other women who are like her. I want to put her in the class of women who move with her energy. Brand ambassadors and influencers and directors and producers. No, keep being you. Always stick to your guns. Don't let anybody talk you out of your destiny. Don't let anybody talk you out of your blessings. And if there's anything personally that I can do for you, just reach out. This is my account. Come there. Let's exchange information. But once again, bless you. God bless you for having the humility to say thank you. And you're going to receive so many more blessings. This is just the beginning.
Amen. Thank you so much, Sis Chia. God bless you.
God bless you too, my love. Head bowed.
Bye. Okay. Thank you so much, Sis Chieta. Hosta vazive mfunge vari kudiaspora. Sure here, my sister. Tell me more about it. Anyway, guys, so thank you so much. I wanted to respond to message Sisi Hennessy. Where is it? I think if we do a mix of gifts, PayPal, stars, even gift cards, so that people can do what's easier for them. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think so now all we just have to agree on is day. I think I don't know how, because let's just yeah. So now all we have to do is just finalize on a few things. I'll talk to Sis Shumbres. Tonzwa kuti zvani vari kuSA vanokwanisa here kutaura naSis Shumbres vanoda kuvablessa vari kuSA. Totaura as well. Tonzwa kuti pane vanoda kutumira here voice notes. atinogara takakompiler. Kune here vanoda kutumira video messages, anything just to appreciate Sis Mely, guys. Like inini ndine testimony for days that I can give about my diaries, but that would just make it seem as if I'm making it all about me. But hey guys, zvandakaitwa on a platform inoi zvakakurisa. Do you know a day she's off as well? Very true. I was even thinking of even having a few people that can drive, go pick her up, take her somewhere, so that the whole life painozo host kwavanenge vachingoonavo, having her drinks, relaxed with some ladies, like just making, I don't know, making it all about her, guys, because that woman is absolutely amazing. Times dzekuti ndinovafonera even pakati peusiku and I'll be like, Mama, and she'll wake up and just hear me talk. Things like that are important, Mopane. There are times when I feel so overwhelmed, she'll come through for me. Izvozvo zvese zvinoda kutendwa. So ndinoda kungotenda vese vauya neinput yavo, vese vauya vachitaura maonero wavo nezvavari kufunga. I appreciate you, and I'm going to do a whole flyer and just let other people know of when we plan on doing this. And yeah, vese vane ma ideas, please feel free kuzoya ku inbox or WhatsApp. Tichuane sana. And then the next nyaya that we're going to talk about is there anyone who wants to talk, vent, pour your heart out? Not just about relationships, really, excuse me, but just pouring your heart out. Pane chiri kukunetsa, uri kurwara nei, pfungwa dzako dziri kuremerwa nei, what's overwhelming you? If you want to come through, please do come through. Thank you so much. Anditumira message, panantumira message ku WhatsApp atizvoni they're going to help me nenyaya yeflyer. So I really do appreciate. Ndifuna ngikupera moto. Good morning, my Mely Chipo. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Okay. Yeah, so varikuda kutaura izve appreciation party tataura ka. Saka kana pane arikuda kuita pour their heart out. And to just also remind you guys, kuti ngatisakanganoiwo Sis Gertrude. She is going through the most. Anzichi, my community made me tough. Kuti my community made me tough. Okay. Sorry, guys. Ndachida reminder kuti tinokwanisawo here kuramba tichingorangirira Sis Gertrude Gumepi. She really needs our help, guys. Let's push the GoFund, because as it stands, mari yedu ichiri shoma nini static, but she's going through the most. And yeah, let me try and call her. Tinzwe kuti vakanditumira message vachiti mushonga wasvika, but I haven't talked to her since. Timonzwa kuti how is she holding up? Ivo vari sei? I'm trying to call her. Tinzwe kuti vari sei. But if we could please push the GoFund. Tongo zamao, guys. Kungoti every penny, every pound, every dollar counts. If we can just try and come through for her. For now, is scoring us, so I don't know. But cancer, I feel like ikanonokirwa aesthetic. Okay, I don't want to be a prophetess of doom. Sis Mely is a philanthropist. She deserves that honor. Thank you. She really does. She really, really does. She does. Okay, Sis Gertrude, I was going to take up a phone, but so she sent this message. She sent this washiti mshonga wakashika. Ndo mshonga. And then let me show you. This is the proof. Proof ya way say repop. So she really needs help, guys, and her kids are so young. Imagine kuti vana vake vakasara ku SA, and she's in Zimbabwe trying to get treatment. Vana vari ku SA without their mom. Nguva ichiramba ichingovedzera ichingoreba. So I don't know if we could just please try and come through for her. Okay. Yeah. Ndachida kutsvaga pane yandamboposta yavaripo nevana vavo. She needs help. Vanonga vangokwanisawo. Hanzi you're a survivor chiedzana baba vevasikana. Baba vevasikana. Okay, yeah. Na dedive girls. Nduchaga ma picture mamwe. My babies again. So this is her. This is Gertrude Gomepi, guys. Brightness yangu yakanyanyisanti. Yeah. This is Gertrude. Newanawake 2. So the other one is 14. Muskana uyo ane 4. They need their mother, guys. They need a miracle. So if you could please, pretty please, stretch your hand. Oh, I think this was an I don't know how I'm missing everyone's calls. Not everyone really, because it's not like the whole world is calling, but Angachifona, please do call back. Rure Guerrero. Hi Kuda, how are you? I think those are none. Don't bet and she need to talk. So anyone who wants to say anything before we go? Kundo Tandara. Hi Messy Vine. How are you? So yeah, Gertrude, guys, if we all don't rally around her, there's no one that's going to come through for her. Sorry, do without chaga. Not try to make a direct call. Kutitinzwe. Okay. I'm alright, Kuda, I'm okay. Number Gertrude is quitter, but I think that's all I really wanted to say, guys. Unanga Chifona, I'm calling you back now.